Okay, my friends, we are going to be creating a fall landscape. The other day was just the first day of fall, and we're going to make a landscape to celebrate that. Uh, so for a landscape, I like to have my paper sideways, so it's wider than it is tall. If you've got big paper, that'd be great, but this is just kind of normal sized paper. I'm going to use a pencil to start with, and we're going to use something called size contrast, and that means we're going to put things are going to be drawn a little bigger down at the bottom of the paper. And as we go up, they're going to get a little smaller. And that's going to give us a sense of depth or space in our picture to make our landscape look like it's really an outdoor space. So let's go ahead and I'm going to draw a pumpkin right around here. And the first thing I'm going to do is start out with the stem. So I just drew kind of like half of a star shape. And then a curve like that. Now I'm going to go up above this part and I'm going to draw something round. It does not have to be a circle. Okay, now this part is tricky, but go to the middle of your pumpkin, the stem, and draw a line straight down. And then on this side, we're going to curve this way, and on this side, we're going to curve that way. I'm going to change directions. And there we got our pumpkin. And then let's draw another pumpkin, and we're going to make it a little smaller up here. So I'm going to start with the stem again, like that half of a star shape. I'm going to make it smaller. And a little curved stem. Go up above the star, or that half star shape. Draw a rounded shape. Draw a straight line down the middle. And we'll draw those curved lines. Okay, now I think it's probably a good time to put in the horizon line. So I'm going to draw a line, and it can be straight, it can be bumpy, however. It's going to go something like that, from one side of the paper to the other. And now, let's put in a trail. So I'm going to start up here in the horizon, and I'm going to draw a curved line. It starts on the horizon line, it swoops around, and then it comes off on the side of the page. So it's not the lower corner, it's the side. And it could be on that side too. It depends if your trail's going the other way. Now I'm going to go back up to the beginning, and I'm going to just do the same thing, but I'm going to get further and further away from that line as I go. And then I'm going to make it go kind of like that. And let's see. So that's my trail. Let's put a tree somewhere around here. And I'm going to let it go. I'm going to start drawing the trunk. And the trunk's going to go all the way up there. And I can go ahead and erase where the horizon line goes through the tree. And then I'm going to make like a branch. So I'm going to draw the letter B right here. And we can put like a little hole in the tree where a creature lives. So I'm going to draw an egg shape right there. And let's go ahead and put way off in the background, we'll do a little house. So just below the horizon line, I'm going to start drawing a line, like another line. So I got like a spread out number 11 right there. Turn it into like a square or a rectangle. Then you can put a triangle on top. You can draw a house however you want. Not all houses are squares and triangles like that. And once again, erase that line in there. So I've got my house, and I'm going to make a little walkway to the trail. There we go. Now keep in mind that these things, as you draw them down here, they're bigger. They look bigger because they're closer. This house is not really smaller than the pumpkin. It just looks small because it's way up near the horizon line. What else can we make? I'm gonna put some grass down here. And let's put I'm gonna put some clouds in the sky. Okay, I've got a cool idea here. I think we should put a sign pointing to maybe this is a pumpkin patch or a farm or an apple orchard or something. And we'll put a sign pointing us down the road or down the trail to whatever you want to put over here. So I'm going to draw a real skinny number 11 that goes all the way to the bottom of the page. Diagonal line. And then a straight line down here. A diagonal line that's parallel to that top one. And we can make it kind of like a pointed part. Continue the number 11 up through there. And I'm going to connect it with a little oval or ellipse. And you can write whatever you want on here. It could be pumpkin patch, hayride, apple orchard. I'm gonna put hayrides. And if you want to make it look like it's a stick, put a little swirly in there where the grain of the wood's been cut. Now I think you should color this, add whatever details you want on your own. I'm gonna put it like a little time lapse of how I add texture and color and some more details to my drawing. But you can finish it up however you want. There's lots of room for you to make this your own. All right, so good luck and enjoy.